Economics class. All right, welcome to economics class. This is budgeting. We are discussing budget. This is the part 2 of budget. In the last class, the part 1 of budget, I told you that budget is a financial plan that shows estimated income and estimated what expenditure of a family, of an individual, of government over a specific period of time. You remember this definition? Don't forget. Now we discussed about importance of budget also in the last budget class. Now we are going to look at types of budget, characteristics of a good budget. Then we'll call it a day on budget. Are you following? Pay attention. Now, what are the types of budget? I'll be sharing with you 3 basic types of budget. Number 1 is balanced budget. Balanced budget. When do we say a budget is balanced? Don't forget that the 2 core elements of budget is what? Estimated income and estimated expenditure. They are the 2 core elements of budget. Now, when do we say that a budget is balanced? A budget is balanced when the estimated income equals estimated expenditure. All right. When you have income, estimated income equals estimated what? Expenditure. In this case, we say that the budget is balanced. For example, you have an estimated income of 1 billion. I don't want to attach the currency because you can be watching from any part of the world. So let's assume you have an estimated income of 1 billion equaling the expenditure of 1 billion. This is a balanced budget. All right. Number 2 type of budget is surplus budget. Surplus what? Budget. You've heard the word surplus, overflow. All right. Now, surplus budget in this context has to do with when estimated income is greater than estimated expenditure. Income greater than, right? This is greater than expenditure, right? We say what? There is surplus. The budget is a surplus job budget. Let's assume our income is, let us still use 1 billion estimated income. Now, the estimated expenditure is now somewhere around, let's say, 700 million. Our estimated income arrived at 1 billion. Estimated expenditure is 700 million. So when income is greater than expenditure in budgeting, it becomes what? Surplus. Number 3 is deficit. Deficit what? Budget. If you are writing, I trust you are seeing my handwriting. All right. Now, deficit budget is when estimated income is less than expenditure. In other words, the estimated expenditure is greater than what? Than the income. So when the estimated expenditure is greater than the income, is deficit. Because, for example, you budget 1 billion and your expenditure is somewhere around 1.6 billion. There is a deficit of 600 million. Are you following? All right. So these are the 3 basic types of budget. Let's consider characteristics of a good budget. What are the things that makes this budget? Oh, this budget is very good. Number 1, let me cross here, is that the budget must be what? Realistic. your budget must be what? Very, very realistic. All the estimates must be very realistic. You don't make budget on things that does not exist. You must be, to an extent, at least 90 to 100% sure of what you are putting in your budget in terms of income, because income is very important. Number two, your budget must be what? Easy and simple to understand. I don't need to be a professional to understand your budget, because a lot of people that are indirectly affected by that budget, they might not be professionals like you. So when preparing budget, you try and make sure you make your English simple. Let them understand the two basic elements of estimated income and estimated what? Expenditure. So your budget must be simple and easy to understand. All right. Number three is that your budget must be what? Flexible to adjust in case there is change. Your budget must be what? Very, very flexible to adjust in terms of change. Number four is that your budget ought to cover what? All incomes and expenses. Number five, your budget must help in achieving objectives. These are the five characteristics of a good budget. Number one, let it be unrealistic estimates. Your income cannot be 1 billion and you are putting an estimated income of 2 billion, knowing fully well that there is no reality around you to bring that income of 2 billion. So you bring your budget within your reality to make it realistic. You cannot be budgeting to build a mansion when your income monthly can barely feed you, so you are not realistic in that budget. Number two is easy to read, easy and simple to understand, flexible to adjust, covers all income and expenses, helps in achieving objectives. Are you following? All right. If you have any question, you drop in the comment section. This is Student Affairs. We are interested in your studentship. A student is not just someone within the four walls of school. Even if you are no longer in school and you are seeing this video, always pay attention to learn, because economics, most especially, applies to you even as a non-student. So these classes will help you. When you see this video, sit tight and learn, and call others to join you in learning. You can share it as well. Bye for now.